people questions. We have Robert, Iyad, Muhammad, Muaz, Qais, Abdul Rahman, and Saif, and Harith from the grade 9 to advanced. And today, we're going to talk about a problem. What are some common issues that occur to families and students? Some of these issues include unorganized schedules, unsupervised internet use, which may lead to exposure to unsuitable content, overwhelming amount of chores and schoolwork causing anxiety and stress, parents disconnected because of the knowledge gap between them and between their children. So, how can we fix these issues? So to fix these issues, we can fix them by making an AI database that organizes these tasks and schedules for families and students. So, in terms of family, we can organize their chores for them, distribute tasks between the family members, and monitor the content being shown. And in terms of students, AI database can help simplify difficult school material, organize time and due dates for assignments, and help check your understanding of the material by making tests and quizzes. Thank you, and that was it for our presentation.